It's another damp, rainy day. It's not as cold, but it's nasty out. We're having a drizzle here and stuff, but I want to show you the pond that it did reopen because we had rain since this morning. Like I said, right now it's drizzling out, and you can see that the pond is dirty, but it is crystal clear. Here, see that? You can see right down at the bottom. Once the cold weather is gone, we'll get in here and clean it up. And like I said, that was a leaf right there. You can see that it is still frozen in there. The fish are all hiding, but we'll get in there and clean it up once the cold weather goes away. We're going to get back to some cold weather again, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So let's pan out here back to normal. You see, look at it. I'm gonna pick up these flowers over here, fake flowers that fell out of my garden with all the wind from my flower box up here. I put it over there. Everything fell off the thing, but this didn't. That might be too heavy, but you can see this. We'll clean up all this, and like I said, the first dry, warm day, I can get up here and see how far I can come with the canopy. Do I want to come up over here like this to the end here, or be within the deck? We'll see going forward, but I wanted to show you and listen to the sounds of a winter day. And of course, the birds knocked over the bird feeder. There's bird seed all over there. And we'll clean up all this in the spring, and even that too. I will see you in the next video.